I have never seen it rain in this county when the temperature is 85. It just started pouring. This is like a weather phenomena. And just another sign that Earth is going to hell. Mark my words. This is bizarre. 85. Yes, it rains in September, but not when the weather is 85. This is not Florida, people. This is California. Wow. It's an actual freaking puddle. Oh yeah. I love the rain, but this was most unexpected. Fortunately, I have an umbrella. Yep. See? You see the raindrops very well here. Oh yeah. I had to get this on video, otherwise nobody would believe me. Very weird. My little kitty cat's happy. Oh yeah. Wow. This is rather unique. I'm just waiting for the 4 horsemen to appear, and then I'm gonna get out of here.